Alrighty, y'all. Abigail awake is getting ready to go in her box. And she was 5 pounds, 6 ounces, 21 inches, 7, 31, 20. And she is by Laura Terizio. So that's her birth certificate, y'all. Okay, she's gonna go with this cute little bottle. Ain't it cute? It's fake milk, y'all. Fake milk. Alright. Okay. So we got a bag for that. Can I have this pad to go? I need to put your pads in. Here, can I get that? Alright, no, Alright. Look at her sitting being so good, y'all. Alrighty. And then her blanket. Her blanket. She's got this cute little blanket with the little sheep on it. Alright, we're gonna drape that over her box. Yeah, buddy. She's kind of too big to wrap up in there. Come here, girl. Say hi to everybody. Say hello. Alright, tell your mommy to breathe for you till you make it home. I'm gonna put a plastic over her. She's not a real child. She is a reborn baby doll that are collectibles for adults. So this is not gonna hurt her, okay? Alrighty, say breathe for me till I make it home, mama. Yes. You ready for your airplane ride to get in your box? Yes, ma'am. Alright, girl. Hold on. Oh, y'all. You ready? Don't you fall. 1, 2, 3. And she's in there. I don't know if I showed you guys her box, but I'm sorry if I didn't. Uh-oh. I'm sorry if I didn't. But that's her box. Okay, and we got her birth certificate. And then, hold on. Let me get her care instructions. And then when I get up, I'll put my business card in there. I forgot to grab that. So I just stick this in on the side. Okay. And then we have her cute little fake milk bottle. And then she's got some little goodies that's gonna go with her. Ooh. Ooh. La da dee la dee da. Alright. Okay. And that's her little goodies that's going with her. So we got those in there, and then I gotta get her hairballs and stuff. And yes, Abigail awake. Okay, we have Kitten done as a boy. And he was 7 pounds, 6 ounces. Alright, he was born 7/31/20. Today. Tomorrow. I don't know when I'm posting this video, but hey. Alright, so that's his birth certificate. Alright, then his care instructions. And I'll get my card. Once I get done with this part. Alright, and he's going in this cute little blue blanket. I was about to say blanket, y'all. This cute little blanket. It's blue on the outside and then green on the inside. And this is his box. So he got motorcycles, y'all. Him got motorcycles. Alright, so he's not going to be able to swaddle up in this. So we do it like this. Do it like that. Alright, come on, man. Yes. Yes. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Alright, here's a little chunky self. Hey, with your chunky self. So he's got his little Mickey Passy and then his little sippy cup. Fake milk, y'all. Fake milk. It's fake. Fake. It's not real. Alright. Say we gotta have a little role play, huh? A little role play. Alright. So I'm gonna put this over him to protect my paint up for his travels. Say, count for me. Say, breathe for me, mommy. 1, 2, 3. Psh. This is not hurting him. It's not a real baby. Say, I am a lifelike looking reborn baby doll that is made to look as lifelike as possible and are adults for collectibles. Alright. Collectibles for adults. Alright. Him heavy, y'all. Hold on. Woo. Okay, you ready for your airplane ride? 1, 2, 3. Psh. I was ready, TT. And I snuggled all up in my box, TT. Yes, you is, man. Yes, you is. All right. Oh. Okay. So, there we go. We got his stuff that's going to go on the side. That's his birth certificate, care instructions. And then he's got a little binky, y'all. A little binky. We'll put that right there. That right there. Alright, and then he's got his little goodies. Y'all know what? Let me move this stuff closer to me so I can tilt him so y'all can see what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. Can y'all see? Okay. So we trying to wing it, y'all. We trying to wing it. Hold on. Alright, so he got his little goodies that's going with him. There we go. There we go. That right there. That right there. We're going to put that right there and that right there. And then we got to get put his cup and pacifier in. And then him ready to go. I'm ready to go, yes. Alrighty, y'all. We'll set that on the side and say, eyes ready. There go his box. Alrighty, y'all. Baby Cheyenne was 3 pounds and 14 ounces. She is 19 inches and she was, what's today? July 7, 31, 20. She's a Cheyenne Kate. Filling out her birth certificate. That will go home with her. Alrighty. That's already good. Alrighty, she is going to get this cute little heart blanket. Ain't that adorable, y'all? It's cute. And this is her box. And I decorated with some little kitties on it. Yes, I did. Alright. Hold on, girl. Ooh. We getting it together. We is getting it together, okay? Alright. Yeah, blanket laid out on her box. Alright, so I'm going to put this on to protect my work on her travels. Say, mommy, breathe for me till I make it home. She is not real. She's a reborn baby doll that is a collectible for adults. So this is not harming her. Alright. I know they look like, say we look like, yes we do. Some of them I can close these on, some of them I can't, but I like when I'm able to lose them in there. So, alrighty. Alrighty, girl. Pacifier. Oh, snap. We got some little stragglers. Let me get that. There we go. There we go. Alrighty, y'all. Let's get her in her box. Excuse me. You ready, girl? Airplane wide. Woo! The eyes ready, TT. Eyes ready. Alright, good. Alright, she is in her box, y'all. We got her Passy. I like putting these in. It smells so good. We got her fake baby bottle, a gift for her, and another gift. So we'll just put that in there like that. Can you guys see? I don't know. Where's my hand? Can't see. I apologize. Let's put this so you can see all. Alright, so we got her gift in there. Going in there on the side, and now I'm gonna get our care instructions to go with this, so that's gonna go on the side there. And then we got her little binky. Oh, I forgot to get a thingy for it, and we got a wrap, so I'll put her binky in with her bottle. Yep, that's how we do that. How about that? You know what I'm saying? There we go. There we go. We're going to just tie that like that there. And then I have to put some... I meant to get a shorter box, but it's okay. So I'm going to stick this in there. And then she is ready. And I'll get something to fill her up. Excuse me. So yes, this is baby Cheyenne.